The ACC PLC Simulator now supports GamePad input. You can plug in any standard USB or Bluetooth controller and drive PLC inputs, control analog values, navigate 3D scene cameras, and run your program without ever touching the keyboard. There is nothing to install. It works with Xbox and PlayStation controllers, as well as most generic USB and Bluetooth gamepads. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. The website offers extensive links, references, and coding samples, making it a one-stop shop for all your automation queries. Once again, that is accautomation.ca. Why use a gamepad? Here is why a gamepad is useful for PLC simulation. Analog sticks and triggers map to AX1 through AX5 with a range of 0 to 4095. That is the same range a real potentiometer or 4 to 20 milliamp transmitter produces. You can smoothly control analog inputs the way a real process signal would behave. Face buttons act exactly like momentary push buttons. Press A and X1 goes true. Release A and X1 goes false. And system buttons give you hands-free control. Start runs the program. Select stops it. Left stick click executes a single step. Getting started. To get started, plug in your controller and open the simulator. Press any button on the gamepad. The toolbar badge will change from no pad to a green badge showing your controller name. That is it. No drivers, no configuration. The simulator uses the W3C GamePad API built into the browser. Digital input mapping. The face buttons map to digital inputs. A is X1. B is X2. X is X3. E is X4. The D-pad maps to X5 through X8. The shoulder buttons LB and RB map to X9 and X10. All of these are momentary. They are on while you hold the button and off when you release it. Just like real push buttons on a PLC trainer. Analog input mapping. The analog controls map to analog inputs. The left trigger LT maps to AX1. The right trigger RT maps to AX2. Both go from 0 to 4095. The left stick Y-axis is AX3 and X-axis is AX4. The right stick X-axis is AX5. All of these are centered at 2048 with built-in dead zone filtering. System controls. The system controls let you operate the simulator from the gamepad. Press Start or Options to put the simulator in run mode. Press Select or Share to stop it. Click the left stick to execute a single step scan. The right stick Y-axis zooms the view in and out. Click the right stick to reset the zoom to 100%. Camera navigation in 3D scenes. In the 3D scenes, the analog sticks control the camera. The right stick orbits the camera around the scene. The left stick Y-axis zooms in and out. You can orbit around a conveyor, zoom into a control panel, and press buttons on the gamepad all at the same time. This is the advantage of a gamepad over a mouse and keyboard. Focus gating. When you have the simulator and scenes open in separate windows, the gamepad only sends input to the window that has focus. Press a button, and only the window you are looking at responds. If you switch away while holding a button, the system automatically releases it to prevent stuck inputs. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button below. Keeping up with all the latest automation innovations can be difficult, so hit the subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to your subscription to receive notifications. Input ownership. The gamepad follows the same input ownership rules as the rest of the simulator. When a 3D scene is driving an address through its sensors or push buttons, the gamepad cannot override that address. The scene always wins. For example, the conveyor scene drives X3 and X4 through its proximity sensors. Pressing Y on the gamepad will not affect X4 because the scene owns it. The gamepad still controls all the addresses that the scene is not using. Try it with the control panel scene. Try the gamepad with the control panel scene. Press A for start. The motor run pilot light turns on. Release A. The sealant holds. Press B for stop. The motor stops. Press X for jog. The motor runs while you hold the button. You can run the entire start-stop-jog program from a controller without touching the mouse or keyboard. Head over to accautomation.ca/simulator to try GamePad support yourself. Plug in a controller and press any button to get started. If you found this helpful, subscribe to ACC Automation for more PLC tutorials. Many PLC manufacturers offer a range of hardware and software. All programmable logic controllers share similar basic features. Once you are familiar with the basics of the PLC, you will learn the specifics of the controller you will be programming. This is the easiest way to learn about PLC programming. Click here to see how I approach learning about basic PLCs. Click here to see how you can program for free with the ACC PLC Simulator with 3D scenes you can program. Thanks for watching.